Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be reviewing an exciting product that you don't want to miss. Stay tuned to learn all about its features, benefits, and why it could be perfect for you.
Are you tired of struggling to clean those hard-to-reach corners of your toilet? The HAMITOR Toilet Bowl Brush Holder Set is here to make your bathroom cleaning effortless. This deep cleaning brush features curved bristles, perfect for scrubbing under the rim and tackling stubborn stains in dead corners. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making cleaning less of a chore. Plus, it comes with a sleek, hidden caddy design, keeping your bathroom organized and visually appealing. Whether you're at home or in an RV, this compact, decorative accessory is a game changer for maintaining a spotless toilet. Say goodbye to messy brushes and hello to convenience and style. I'm reviewing the Vacplus Toilet Bowl Cleaner Tablets, a 12-pack of automatic toilet cleaners. These tablets are infused with bleach and designed to effectively deodorize and decale your toilet. They're perfect for tackling tough stains and keeping your bathroom fresh. Using them is super easy, just drop a tablet into your toilet tank, and it starts working automatically with each flush. I've found these tablets to be incredibly convenient and efficient. They save time on scrubbing and leave the bowl spotless and odor-free. Plus, a single tablet lasts for weeks. If you want a hassle-free solution for a clean toilet, I highly recommend trying these. These 12 PCS kitchen towels are a game changer. Perfectly sized at 10 by 6 inches, they're multi-purpose and reusable. The double-sided microfiber design is excellent for cleaning everything from dishes and furniture to your car. They're soft, highly absorbent, and durable, making them perfect for wiping.
Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. And remember, you can find the product link in the description below. See you in the next video.